Hi guys, it's Gretchen, Pawsom Fun and Frugal. I haven't been on in a while. Haven't posted any videos in a while. I've been caught up with so many other things, I just haven't been able to. But I wanted to do something in the kitchen. I'm trying to figure out a way to use up food in my refrigerator before I do my next free food haul on Wednesday and Thursday. That way I can make room in my refrigerator, add some things to the freezer for my backup meal options. I actually sprained my foot the other day. Yesterday. It's only been a day. Wow. Anyway, so I am trying to heal my foot, so this is a little challenging, but I'm trying to do something that maybe I can bake in the oven because I wouldn't have to stand and cook it. Okay, so I'll turn the camera around and show you what I'm working on. Okay, everyone. So here's what I'm going to work on. Like I said, this is probably going to be my strangest throw it all together and see what comes up kind of recipe. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use that. These are things that are left over in my refrigerator that I'm trying to figure out how to put together. I don't have any tortillas. I might try to make some. But for now, I'm going to try to make a different version of sort of a veggie bake with this. So this is going to be a Mexican veggie bake using up the last of these items. And I'm going to add one more thing, I think. I'm going to try to add that and maybe 1 or 2 eggs. I'm not sure. So this may be vegetarian, not vegan. I have to see if I can do it without the egg. For me, it's a little bit optional. I can have some eggs sometimes. So let's see what happens. Okay, that is a whole bowl of veggies. Used as much as I could. There's still some left. I used the oldest stuff first. So maybe I can do something else with the rest of it on another day. So we're going to throw in this cheese, this soy riso, and these liquids next. So I am going to add the 2 eggs. I think it's not going to stick together too well because I don't have enough. If I had more shredded cheese, I think that would help it stick together better. I'm not sure it will, so I'm going to add these eggs. And of course, my trusty turmeric goes into all of my recipes for nice flavor and anti-inflammatory. Gonna bake that in this pan here.